on Friday. The high wind watch is no longer in effect. Winds, northwest 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Timing, this evening through Friday morning. Impacts, damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage. Please report wind damage by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook